The pageantry of homecoming has engulfed the U of A campus as thousands of fans arrive for the centerpiece of the week, the annual homecoming game at Arizona Stadium. Tonight, under the lights, the Arizona Wildcats take on the Washington State Cougars. Always a special week, this season perhaps even more so, as the university celebrates its 100th homecoming football game. The matchup couldn't be better as two of the top teams in the Pac-12 do battle on the field turf below. Wildcats begin play tonight with a 5-2 record. The Cougars sit at 7-1. Both teams are in contention for a division title. A win tonight would also make the Wildcats bowl eligible for the 8th time in the last 10 seasons and the 5th time in 6 years under head coach Rich Rodriguez.
Looking to throw. Throws the deep ball. And it's for Poindexter. And Sean Poindexter with the catch. Tate wide open. This will be a touchdown. Jamie Nunley slipping out, the tight end. 48 yards for Arizona.
Yet another freshman in the lineup here from the wing position.
Steps up, now he's going to run, and he's not going to make it. Tackle for little or no gain. And Colin Schooler wraps up Falk on the tackle. It'll be 4th down. Back to throw, going to look deep, going to throw deep. Got a man open, that's Tony Ellison, makes the catch inside the 20. First down, Arizona.
It's a great job of Arizona just attacking the middle of the field.
Quick snap, throw, wide receiver screen to the far side. Caught inside the 10 to the 5, diving for the pylon, and in. Touchdown, Arizona.
Sean Brown on a wide receiver screen, got a great block out in front of him.
Shotgun rolling, they'll keep it to the left side, finds a hole out to the 25. Tate to the 35, Woo! Tate out to midfield. Hello, Tate on the run. 30, 20, 15, 10, and caught inside the 5-yard line. Unbelievable, he does it again.
This may be the most phenomenal 4-game stretch I've seen. The skill set of Khalil Tate that's been on display.
Ball down. Get into it. Not enough distance. Is that baby good? It is. Oh my! 57 yards.
What?
For Lucas Haberset. And now the Wildcats get a shot of adrenaline going to the locker room.
Wow, what a kick by Haberset.
Walensky will take the snap, back to throw. Time again, waits, throws down the middle, intercepted. Picked off, Arizona with the football around its own 32-yard line. Tony Fields gets the pick, his first as a Wildcat, the freshman out of Las Vegas. On first down, they'll go inside, breaking it free over the 50 and gone. 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, and again caught from behind. First and goal, handoff J.J. Taylor into the end zone. Touchdown, Arizona. Just like that, Cats back in front.
That's the way to fight back and battle back.
Walensky out of the shotgun, short snap, quick throw, and it's intercepted. Picked up by the Wildcats, back the other way. That's Burns out to the 40, still loose, and he'll be pulled down at the Cougar 42, Arizona football.
Under pressure, Walensky, flushed out, intercepted in the end zone. Jace Whitaker for the Wildcats.
Takes the snap, handoff J.J. Taylor, breaks it again. J.J. Taylor, he is gone. 50, 40, 30, 20. They won't catch him this time. 10-5, touchdown Arizona.
Boom! J.J. Taylor shot out of a cannon right up the middle. Nobody puts a hand on him. What a beautiful call by Rich Rodriguez.
Backfield, play fake again. Tate to keep it. Tate to the 40, down to the 30. Khalil Tate to the 20. 15, 10-5, touchdown Arizona.
Khalil Tate once again. Wreck shop. He just destroyed the defense on that play.
Looking, plenty of time. Now throws over the middle and picked off. Arizona with the football back the other way. Down to the 40, 30, 20, 15, 10, 5. Touchdown, Arizona. Colin Schooler.
He just, oh my gosh, what a play by Colin Schooler. Steps in front, intercepts the ball, and he just rockets up the sideline. Big time play by Colin Schooler.
Tate take the snap, play fake. Now he'll throw it downfield. Got a man open. Caught at the 40. Out to midfield. Still loose. There goes Nunley to the 30. 25, 20, 15, and finally down at the Cougar 10. Jamie Nunley down, takes the snap. Handoff Green, and he just barrels his way in. Touchdown, Arizona. It's over. And Arizona's beaten Washington State. Redemption for the Cats. 58-37, your final here at the stadium. And a happy bunch of red-clad Wildcats and their fans. Heck of an effort tonight.
No question.
A defense that was on the field for 100 plays.
Mercy.
And the offense, big plays, and the Cats win it. They take it over the Cougars 58-37. Arizona's record now stands at 6-2, 4-1 in the conference.
You know, we're going to have to play a little more ball after the season's over, too, you know that? Now, you know, the more you win, the more is at stake, right? Yes, sir. You're going to enjoy this for 24 hours. You've made yourself relevant. And the next one is really big. You understand it, right? Be smart tonight. Hug a teammate. Let's take the fight.